Do you have a business page on Facebook but not enough followers to build customer trust? Then this video is for you. In today's video, we'll discuss 3 simple yet effective methods to increase followers on your business page. Hi, I am Abhishek Sanadi, a Google certified digital marketer. I help businesses with their online promotion. In the digital era, marketing channels have changed from newspaper and TV to Facebook and YouTube. And as a tech-savvy entrepreneur, I'm sure you must have created your business page on Facebook. But the problem is you don't have enough page likes to attract new customers. At this point, some entrepreneurs may caution why page like is important. So before discussing the method to increase page likes, let's see how page like is the digital currency on Facebook. The importance of page like is two-way. Number one, a business page with more page likes reaches to more followers. That means more visibility at a lesser cost. The formula is simple. Higher the number of page likes, more people get to view your post on Facebook. Second, more page like also means more trust on your business brand. Let's understand this with an example. Suppose you are looking for a service in your city on Facebook and you come across two service providers, Business A and Business B. You have never heard of these businesses before. Business A has 5,000 page likes while Business B has 20,000 page likes. Take some time and think, which business will you trust more, Business A or Business B? I'm sure most will vote for Business B because it has more page likes. That also means more people trust Business B. So there are obvious benefits of having more page likes on your business page. So without wasting any further time to create a background, let's discuss the methods. The first method to increase followers on your business page is to invite your friends to like your business page. Although it is obvious, but many people hesitate to do so because they worry about what their friends will think about them. I just want to say that if you don't do it, who will? Definitely, you should not be too self-promotional on your business page. But let's be clear, you have started your business page from ground zero and it is your responsibility to increase its followers. The first individual who will be interested in your business and your growth is your friend and family only. So let's see how you can invite your friends to like your business page on Facebook. Okay, so first go to your Facebook page and beside share button, you will find 3 dots. Click on that and it will open various options like create event, create group, and at the bottom you will find the option to invite friends. Just click on it. It will open a dialog box and at the top right, you will find an option to send personalized message. Click on it and now you can write your personalized message. Like I am writing, I have created a new Facebook page. Hope you find it interesting. And below this message box you will find option to invite your friends beside their profile picture. So you can invite everyone or you can invite specific people that you think are most interested to like your Facebook page. Like I'm sending invitation to people who are most likely to like my page. They might have interest in my Facebook page. So you can go on invite everyone. Just the same way, just you have to scroll down and you will find people who are in your friend list, and at the bottom you will also find an option to send your invitation in Messenger. So when you tick this mark, people will find your message in their Messenger. The second method to increase your Facebook followers is to invite engaged users who have liked your post. This method is the secret gem to increase followers on Facebook. When somebody likes your post on Facebook, Facebook gives this option to invite them to like your business page. But you have to do it manually. Remember that this method only works on desktop and laptops but not on mobiles. Let's go to my computer and see how it works. Just go to your Facebook page, go to any post. At the bottom of the post, you will see people who have liked your post. Just click on that. It will open up a dialog box with people's profiles who have liked your post, and there will be people who have liked your page and people who have not liked your page. You can invite people who have not liked your page by clicking on invite button. And Facebook also gives you the option of banning people from page if you want to. Remember to go slow with this method, otherwise Facebook will block you to use this method. Generally 50 to 100 invitation in a day will be good to go. For this demo, we have used the latest post, but the method equally works well for any post on your business page. The third method to increase the page like on your business page is to use your page link in all business communication, whether print or digital. Whether it be email, website, newspaper, radio, or anything. In all your business communication, you should be using your page link. Although simple, this method produces remarkable results. Why? Because even your loyal customers will not actively searching for your business page on Facebook. If they come across your business page, they will like it, but won't go overboard to specifically search for it. When you use your Facebook page link in all your business communication, you increase the chances of your customer noticing it and getting connected with you on Facebook. To summarize, increasing followers on your Facebook page is a time-consuming and resource-intensive task, but worth the efforts. Inviting your friends, inviting engaged users, and using page link in business communication are the three simple yet effective methods to increase Facebook followers on your business page. If you like this video, do like it, share it, and share your Facebook marketing experience with me in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I create videos that help you take better business decisions for online marketing.